Here are the shot of the panels. I think there were 12 panels for a total of 3 kilowatt system for the solar array here. I think we had it wired in series of 4 strings, series of 3. Here's a shot of the panels behind as we were wiring it up and testing it to make sure they work, and everything was good and working. So we were just verifying all the connections and everything. Here's another shot of the panels from behind as we would continue to working and wiring it up to make sure that the panels that were wired in series would work. Here is the shot of the combiner box with the 4 strings that went in, and making sure the positives go where the positives are, the negatives where the negatives are, and you can see that light arrestor, that surge suppressor system there that we installed. Here's the copper wire that we had grounded to all the panels to make sure that they were all touching the metal, the aluminum on the panel, and that they were properly grounded out with the copper wire, and making sure. And there's a shot of the copper wire that went down into the ground and was wired up to the rod for any lightning strikes to make sure that it was properly grounded and working. Here's a shot of the inverter and the batteries. There were flooded lead acid batteries. There were 6 volts each, and they were all wired in series to get a total of 24 volts. Here's another shot of the battery. There were where we were testing to making sure that they were getting the proper voltage and working. And here's another shot of the inverter. It's a SunGold Power 6 kW inverter, and it also has a charger that could charge the batteries in case the sun is not working, and it had a generator. We had wired a generator into it. Of course, here's the picture of the last of all the panels that we had installed, and they were up and running, and I think the job was a well done job and we were finished.